Kittl has some of the best Y2K fonts that you can use for your logos and streetwear and things like that. And I'm gonna show you 6 of my favorite ones in this video. And by the way, Kittl is free for you to try out and use, so you can even play around with these fonts that I'm about to show you. So let's go. All right, the first one up is going to be called Brinky Mono, and this is a fantastic font to use for Y2K style design because of the boldness mixed with that slight pixelated corners, kind of like an old digital clock or something. Not old necessarily, but an older digital clock, especially when you're going to do outline like this and you're going to start working with your neon colors. You can come up with a design like this that's super vibrant. Next up is going to be this font called Draco, and it's already moving forward at that slant, slightly oblique already, so there's a lot of momentum in this headline style font, especially when you start adding different colors. It's also perfect for Y2K, especially streetwear or apparel that has a lot of text on it and you need one specific thing, one central line of text, or just with Y2K logo designs like you can see right here, Alpha Vial. It's super easy to do. Now the next one here is going to be a font called Gamma 1500, extremely pixelated style font, perfect for like maybe some sort of gaming style or digital-esque brand or something like that. Once you start playing with your colors, you can see it start coming to life here. We'll do something with like a nice bright red, and this one also works really nicely as both all caps and lowercase. You can see there's 2 different types of aesthetics you could get with this one font. Here's an example of a sound engineering logo. Now the next one up is going to be Basement Grotesque, and this is going to be one of your Y2K style fonts for filler text. This is obviously not necessarily a Y2K font style in its own right, but you can see here as I make this one all caps and I start doing a couple of different transformations and things like that, you can see it start becoming a font that you would want to use as subtext in your Y2K logo designs, like how it says gaming here. All right, the next one up is going to be Rondoon Display, which is this kind of puffy, bubbly style font. It's an all caps style font, and this one's going to be great for your big bulky headline logos, like maybe things that are bright pink or purple or red or something like that. It's a very playful Y2K style font, very reminiscent of a lot of different things. Here's an example here of the Hearts Racing Club, for example. And for the last one that we're going to talk about in this video is the generic techno font. You can see that there's some pretty cool wavy things going on with some of the letters, and it's great for that kind of older retro early 2000s space exploration style vibe that you might have seen in gaming logos or other just Y2K style logos. Here's an example right here of the Orbital World logo. So these fonts and effects are perfect for your Y2K logos, your streetwear apparel, your stickers, or anything else in that kind of early 2000s vibe. Now, if you want to see other tutorials using Kittl, I have these videos here on my right that I know you're going to enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos and features and things like that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.